Dear children, in this video, I am going to explain the second poem of our book Honeysuckle, The Kite. It is written by Harry Ben. In this poem, the poet presents a beautiful picture of a kite in the sky through his words. So let's begin. How bright on the blue is a kite when it's new. With a dive and a dip, it snaps its tail. Blue here means the sky, the clear sky. Dive and dip shows different movements of the kite. Sometimes it goes up in the sky, sometimes it comes down. Snap means producing a crackling sound. So the poet says that when a kite is new, it has all the vibrant colors. It looks brighter in the clear sky. It shows different movements, like it goes up and comes down along with the wind. And sometimes some kites have tails, so it seems that the kite is snapping its tail. Then soars like a ship with only a sail, as over tides of wind it rides, climbs to the crest of a gust and pulls, then seems to rest as wind falls. The poet says that a kite is just like a ship. In these lines, the poet compares the kite to a ship. The kite soars like a ship. It, as a ship, goes up and down on the tides, on the waves in the ocean. In the same manner, the kite also goes up and down with the wind. So sometimes when there is a strong gust means strong rush of wind. So when there is a strong rush of wind, the kite goes to the crest. Crest means height. So it goes high in the sky, and sometimes when the wind is not strong, it comes down, and then it seems that the kite is taking rest. When string goes slack, you wind it back and run until a new breeze blows and its wings fill and up it goes. Now the poet says that when the string is slack means loose, and string is the thread with which we fly the kite. So when you loosen up the string and then wind it back, you sometimes have to run, sometimes you have to wait till there is a new breeze, there is a new rush of wind. Then when the wind is again blowing, the kite, it seems that the kite has filled the wind in its wings, and now it is again ready to fly. How bright on the blue is a kite when it's new, but a raggeder thing you never will see when it flaps on a string in the top of a tree. Again, in these lines, the poet has repeated first two lines of the poem. The poet says that when a kite is new, it has bright colors, it looks vibrant in the sky. But when the kite becomes old, it looks worn out. And sometimes when its string is broken, it is also sometimes it is stuck there on a tree top and it is torn. So then nobody likes to have a look at it. It looks torn, it looks old, and it is good for nothing. So in this way, the poet has presented the journey of a kite in his own words. I hope you have understood the poem well. Thank you.